Hi guys, today we are here in our first video of doing an
Unboxing! Hello. Hello, my friends. I'm the boy.
we have here the knife to unbox this that in the first video Miriam
I will open it now.
will open the thing that
If
you
we-
don't know.
Yes, and
what are-
if we want in the future a lot of subscribers, we will
subscribers.
subscribers.
Be careful with the knife, please.
We will this knife. No, we will this knife. We will.
We will give it to you the knife, but show to the camera what
vale.
and she unboxed from to she. Yeah, here. Wait. The ASMR.
As we said in the last video, in our first video, sometimes we will record some ASMR videos. So today we will do the unboxings on the type of ASMR. Not all the unboxings, but a part of it, yes. Okay. Today the first one.
Show to the camera what you're doing. But what if you put the knife on reverse and open to there?
No.
Shh. Yeah, destroy the microphone.
Mutis y a la gavia.
Shh. In English, please. Shh. Open it. What will be inside of the box? You have to be surprised. Like,
No.
what is that?
Oh my god.
I never hoped that this packaging was this box. I don't know how to say it.
Really?
We will do the video without the semi. Maybe in the videos will be not all the video in ASMR. Will be in like small
Yes,
parts.
like this video.
Yes.
My god! Are you seriously? That
Are you
this
kidding?
is inside of this box? Oh my god! What
Like-
the fuck is it?
Like you're going to be out of the.
Mira, look,
What is that?
plastic.
Can you open it?
Plastic, more plastic. ¿Tú crees?
What you think that this will be?
What do you think it is?
Say it in the comments. What
Espera.
are you thinking that?
Oh, more things.
What this will be?
Three pieces. 3 parts.
What is this? What is this?
Whoa, a tripod. Oh,
What is this?
what the fuck?
This seems like the American football where they have to
Yes.
pass the
put
ball.
the ball.
Yes.
A bow. No.
A tripod. What are you doing? What are you doing?
No sé, això així.
I don't know.
And un quitacutículas enorme.
This you can. Oh, okay. Yes, it goes like this.
Know what it is?
Now we will mount this. Mount.
We will.
Bueno.
¿Cómo se llama? Set up.
We will set up
We will
this
set
thing.
up the.
Okay.
Yes.
Come.
Así, Barry, así, así.
Okay.
Ya, Erika, ya lo digo, ok. Oh, open. This opens.
Okay. Take this and put it right there. Wait. I'm gonna take the camera. What is Miriam
But I
doing?
think we need. No. We don't need anything, Eric.
Wait. We're gonna taste it right now.
We're gonna taste it.
It's like. Wait. Open this, please.
Mira.
This guitar, and then this here.
Me cago en la vida con las cosas.
Here is the stand, okay, and you put it on the floor, but in the right way. Okay, so put the guitar like
Yes,
show to the people. You put the guitar on the stand,
like this and.
and you close this, and the guitar don't. No se sale.
The guitar don't fall.
This is incredible, to be here and they will hear us like we are on the front of the camera with the microphone here.
Yes, no?
But yes, but it's amazing.
Amazing.
A ver, ASMR. How would the head of Miriam sound?
Hueco. Fort.
I'm hurting you.
Yes. No.
With my hair.
With the hair of Miriam. Amazing.
The result.
There is the result. Wait, I'm gonna take it to show to the people. So here is the tripod set up, and here you put the guitar, and the guitar
Don't fall off.
stands up here. Wait, I'm gonna put it right there. As you can see, the guitar.
Yeah, we have to say goodbye to you. It's a pleasure
It's
to
a
talk
pleasure,
to you,
yes.
to have these subscribers.
We hope that this video entertained you and
I like it.
yes, and you like it. And if you like the video, show us on the like button and tap it
And on the subscribe button.
to subscriber. Se me olvidó mandando la video.
Bueno, sorry.
So people, we are
We are finished for this
stopping
video.
here the video.
Yes. And see you in the next video.
see you again.
I see you when I see you again.
When we have a microphone, but you prefer to
pues-
sing with the hand.
If you like this video a lot, the next video I sing.
Sing. Take the microphone and sing.
In the next
Yeah,
video.
but